Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's JASMY video update for Thursday 18th of August. Now, I told you this thing was supposed to really go to 14277, but then again you broke it out. It came for the retest. You're not holding the retest. It's wrong. Okay, that's totally wrong. So I do think with the current situation of what Bitcoin is really doing, we're not going to get that target to the upside. All right, that's the end of it. I do think it's time to say goodbye to maybe the bulls for a little bit while. Now, it's a different scenario. There are still possibilities of still breaking this point up, come down for the retest and actually go. You see, I told you so many times, if you're not holding retest, it's meaningless. Hold retest, that's everything. Now you're not holding retest, that's really bad. Now at the moment, what I do see next coming up is probably JASMY being rejected, and this is a very big influential level. Let me tell you why it's really heavy right now. So you can see on the daily you have the touch here, you have the touch right there, you have this touch right over here, and then you have this influence there, that influence there. Try to break it out and you still got rejected, and now there could be chances of actually doing the latter instead. Okay, actually breaking to the downside. And as far as I see things happening right now, this is really going to be a little bit difficult for me to support the coin. Right now, JASMY is already at the overbought level at the moment on the RSI. Okay, so it actually makes sense for the RSI to even start to cool off a little bit right now. Okay, so you guys really have to be very careful at the moment, and I do think this could be the end of JASMY trying to move up once again. It's all because of how Bitcoin is looking. Because to give you a comment on why I'm saying how Bitcoin is looking, is that Bitcoin is looking to actually drop to $19,000. And this is still a flag. Let me tell you one more thing. On a weekly, that is still a flag right here. Do you see that? This one right over there. Let me actually remove every single drawing here, and I can show you how that flag really looks like. So it looks like this and like that, and all you did is you went down like this and you really back tested the flag. If I extend this lower support right there, which is now resistance, then it could be rejection here to actually go to this price level, and I'm going to tell you where you're going to actually drop for JASMY. So from there to there, if that flag actually takes place, then you're looking for JASMY to drop all the way down to this price target, which is going to be 4606. And I do think you have another better opportunity to buy down lower than to buy. I kind of like this if it comes down to trading. I don't like it if you're facing a long-term investment opportunity, but if it does come down here, I'm looking to actually trade this coin. And that's pretty much it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.